Okay guys, I got some of the ship. This is the first episode, and I'm in the ship, and there's a crafting table with a button on it, and there's a bed. I think it's night because we're gonna. This is my mansion. Now the king just kept me him butler that just I know. Night, I know I'm gonna sleep. No, I cannot sleep. I'm so stressful. Sit right here, just like that. Now I gotta raise my head.
Ay, baka ano tayo?
Oh no, I cannot sleep.
Ay, hindi naman.
No.
Oo, pwede naman. Oo.
Oh my god, I think the ship's top.
Pwede naman doon. Kung alanganin ka, pwede, ano?
Oh my god, this is
Nice. O
lovely.
sige, tawagan ko na lang yung ano.
I think there's some beds.
Yung mag-order, ha? Pero hindi tayo, ano yan, hindi tayo strictohin. Ah, okay. Yung ano, yung kay ano, money, hindi tayo stricto doon. Yung siopaw. Yung siopaw natin, baka stricto.
Oh gosh, there's no bed.
Ah, okay. Sige, Doy.
Basta may kasamang process, walang problema yun.
Ah, okay. Sige, Doy. Mas okay nga yun hapon.
I love to read some
Sige,
books.
Doy. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hapon ko yung saga, may konsira.
No.
Hindi ka makadeliver.
We're gonna go right here. Oh my gosh,
Hindi, was siya with this. Ay, wala, hindi nila ma-deliver buwan.
Okay.
Was yan eh sa hapon. Second
Flowers
flight.
of different here. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Akong charger niya.
When I open it, oh my god.
Hindi, mahaba to yan.
Oh my god, this voice is so
Hindi ko tama yung
amazing.
kanubat. Hindi, sige.
Look at my favorite
Mira,
color.
ito.
It's
Hello?
pink, but it's blue and purple. It's okay.
Oo, second flight.
It's my own room. Hot pink.
Ay, second flight.
Oh my
Kami,
gosh.
ako nun. Ipadala,
I
diba?
love
Pwede
pink.
naman ah.
I think the king is up here. Now I'll be in charge.
Ah, okay.
I'm being in charge. Okay guys, I'm gonna be
Ulit.
right back because I'm gonna dress up with my pink dress. Okay, oh my god, my room. No, you can't see my room. I think this will be. I think about here. That I'm gonna put the carpet, the pink one right here, and the purple right here, because that will be the babies. They have the babies. So excited, guys! So I'm gonna be right back. Hey guys, I already dressed up like Pinky. Now let me see. Here we go. Here's my dress, and the king just goes in, and he took my perfect dress, and he gave me this golden the coat and hammer. Let's get down here. This will be, I think that will be good. He's had a kid. Twin. It's like the red one, the reddish one. I think the evil one right here. The evil, I think. Okay, here is the red one. And now there's the pinky one. Okay. But this will be her. Wow. Oh my god. I don't have enough. You know. It's okay. I'm gonna wear this first. I got a helmet. That I go around. I got some.
Hello?
Oh no.
No more
We
flight.
had 4. I think a cherry trap. Wife just did that. I'm not to be evil. I'm not to be perfect. Like this, no. Ouch. I'm stuck in the rock. Next time, I think I'm gonna choose sassy. Sassy's a pink. That will be the pink one. That will be the. Just never mind.
Kundi ang ang ito ko di ba ini. Si Ilayaw. Abi niya pito ya, kundi mo niya to ya. Ay si Ilayaw sa akong liga. Alam ko to.
Yeah. Okay, let's explore the castle thing. It's like so nice. What is this? Oh my gosh. Like dungeon? I think. Let's go. Let's go. Some shivers around. Oh, what is this? God, this is it. And I have a fish on me. Yes, I have a cat, and I forgot to before I leave. So cute. You can see my cat. Very serious. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I love to die like that. Oh my god, I'm like so crazy.
Ilay, imo yaro, ang narangan
Naman, pinalo mo.
ay, di na minute, better.
Ay, susayaw mo pa, di mo maluwi ka,
It's
may